In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit from Undeposited Funds account, QuickBooks Online. If you've been receiving customer payments and they're sitting in your Undeposited Funds account, this walkthrough will show you how to move them into the correct bank account so your books match what actually hit the bank. Undeposited Funds works like a temporary holding tray. It collects individual payments until you're ready to record the single lump deposit that your bank shows. This keeps your accounting clean and makes bank reconciliation much easier. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and going to the New button at the top left of your screen. This is the gateway to creating most transactions. From the menu that appears, select Bank Deposit. This takes you to the Bank Deposit window, where QuickBooks automatically suggests all of the payments currently sitting in your Undeposited Funds account. At the top of this window, choose the account where the money actually landed, such as your checking account. Picking the correct bank account here is essential, because you want the deposit you record in QuickBooks to mirror the deposit your bank shows. Take a moment to confirm the deposit date as well. It's best to use the date the funds hit the bank, so that matching with your bank feed is smooth later on. Next, look through the list of payments in the Select the payments included in this deposit section. These are the individual customer payments you previously recorded. Check the boxes for the exact payments that were grouped together in the real-life bank deposit. For example, if you took 3 checks to the bank at the same time, select those 3 items. As you click the check boxes, keep an eye on the total at the bottom. It should match the total on your bank receipt or the amount that appears on your bank statement for that deposit. If you handle multiple deposits a day, consider doing one at a time so the totals line up precisely. Accuracy here prevents duplicate income and eliminates headaches during reconciliation. You can also use the memo field to jot a brief note, like the source of the deposit or the day's batch reference, to make future reviews clearer. Once you've selected the right payments and confirmed the deposit account and date, click Save and New. That records the deposit and opens a fresh deposit screen in case you have another batch to enter. And that's it. You've successfully moved funds from Undeposited Funds into your bank account in QuickBooks Online, keeping your records aligned with the bank and ready for an easy reconciliation.